Welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about shimmer loading. We have already made a video about shimmer text where we have seen that the text fades in and fades out. Now today we'll be learning about shimmer loading. Okay. So for shimmer loading, it is done completely using 4 to 5 linear views. Okay. So we have first taken a linear one, where the complete view will be taken, whose width and height is match parent, and padding is kept 0. After that, we have taken a linear 2, another linear view. We have completely used here. We have this one is used with linear vertical, and the linear 2 which is here is used as horizontal. Okay, we had here also we have kept his width and height as match parent and 100 dp height. Padding is kept 0 itself. Okay, now let's go to linear 3. This one is linear 3. We have kept its width and height as 85 dp. Padding is kept 8 only, nothing is changed for that. And we have kept a background color like this, bd. You can keep as your own wish. This color code is used basically is obviously it is used for the shimmer loading only. Now if you want to change other colors or keep any other colors, you can use that, no issue about that. After that, we have taken another linear view, which is linear horizon vertical, another linear vertical, whose width and height is a match. Width is match parent and height is also match parent, but here we have kept as weight also 0, weight sum is also 0. Okay, alright. Now we have taken it's nothing is there in its background, it's transparent completely. After that, we have taken another linear view, horizontal only, whose width is 150 and height is wrap content or 25. You can whichever you put. I have put as 25. You can put as wrap content also. It's not a big deal. Okay. Padding is 0, but we have also added another thing, that's color. It's background color. Same color we have used as used here. Similarly, we have created this one also, like whose width and height is match parent and 25 dp, and background color is bd. Same color. Okay, this is the complete view area. Now we have taken three object and animator components. One is ob, another is obj, another is ob double j. Okay, and a time and two timer components t and tm. Okay, now we have created two more blocks which will be used which is very much required for us. One is shimmer underscore loading, whose we have used a component as object animator, view and duration. Okay, here we have used as object animator set target view, object animator set property alpha. We have taken, make sure you also take only alpha. Object element animators set value as 0, initial value is 0, so we will be setting the value from 0 to 1. Duration is duration, which will be set later on in the on create section. Repeat is reverse. Repeat count till 50,000 times it will be repeated. Okay, it can be repeated till 50,000 times. Now then we are starting the object animation. Okay, then this is the corner with ripple. We are using the ripple effect and corner effect for corner effect for better viewing or better UI experience. So this is the code for it. Okay, the complete, don't worry about the project, the complete project will be URL to download will be given to the description below. You can download it from there easily. Okay, now we have to go to the activity on create area. Here we have given a three colors bd. We are using that same color only, bd. Corner we have one, we have given 85 and 0, strokes as 0, stroke color as white and ripple color as gray. Similarly, we will be giving here also similar way. You can use your corner radius. This is the radius value, so you can use as you like it. As much as corner or rounded corners you want, you can use it here. Okay. Now we have used a timer component after t, after 100 milliseconds. Object element animator obj view linear 5 and duration is 1000. Similarly, after 105 milliseconds, shimmer loading, OBJJ, view is linear 6, this one. Done. Now let's see what happens when there is no such custom view we have made, okay. Now let's see what happens when we run this project, okay. As soon as I downloaded and installed the application, after opening we see this kind of layout. This is called shimmer loading. Okay, so I hope you have learned this, how to create a shimmer loading. The project you are to download URL is given in the description below. You can check and download the URL for better learning experience. Subscribe us for more videos like this and keep supporting us. Thank you very much for your support.